In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the personal list feature in ClickUp to make private tasks. We'll go through the process from start to finish so you can quickly create a task in your personal list and make sure it stays private. This is especially helpful when you want to keep certain notes, reminders, or personal work items separate from shared team visibility inside your workspace. To begin, log into ClickUp and open your workspace. Once you're inside, make sure you're on the main interface where you can access the navigation menu and your personal task views. Starting from the correct workspace is important, because your personal list and task settings will be managed from there. Next, go to Home from the global navigation. After that, click My Tasks. This area gives you access to tasks assigned to you, along with additional personal task-related pages that are connected to your account. If you're new to this area, take a moment to notice how it's organized, since this is where you'll manage private personal items as well. Now, open your personal list. To do that, hover over My Tasks in the sidebar and click the arrow to expand the additional pages. Once the extra options appear, select Personal List. This is the dedicated space where you can create tasks intended for your own personal organization. Inside the personal list, click Create a Task. Enter the name of your task, then click Create Task. Keep the task name clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to store multiple private items here over time. After creating the task, click on it to open it. From the task window, you can add any details you need directly inside the task. This might include descriptions, notes, or other relevant information that helps you keep track of the work. Filling in details at this stage can make the task more useful and easier to revisit later. When you're ready to make the task private, go to the upper right corner of the task and click Share. In the sharing options, click Make Private. Once you do that, the task will be set to private. This means it's no longer treated like a regular visible task and is instead restricted according to ClickUp's private task settings. Finally, check the task to confirm that it is marked as private. Verifying this step helps ensure your personal list task has been set up correctly and that your private information is protected the way you intended. And that's it. You've successfully created a task in ClickUp's personal list and made it private. Thanks for watching.